Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Dear students of class 11th, new 11th, you have finished your exams some 25 days ago. Better is to visit some coaching centers, attend some coaching centers for physical mode of teaching. If you are confident about your success, so that your valuable time may not get wasted. Dear students, the last year, or we can say the last academic year, turned the victim of pandemic COVID-19, and schools remained shut. You met with huge losses. In order to compensate these losses, you have to attend coaching centers, you have to do extra hard work, you have to make self study, and these all mantras would take your board to the back. Dear students, you living in the age where competition has reached to the skies, and for that you have to do something extra. Dear students of new class 11th, subject English today, we are dealing with very important essay in your English text, that is Youth and Task Ahead. Dear students, Youth and Task Ahead is an essay written by Dr. Karan Singh. Dr. Karan Singh is the son of last Dogra ruler here, Hari Singh. He served here, Dr. Karan Singh, as the Sadri Riyasat, and is also the nowadays the member of the Parliament Rajya Sabha. Dear students, the Youth and Task Ahead is an essay about freedom and the role of youth in it. Remember, it is an essay about the freedom and the role of youth in it. Dear students, there is a message for youth in that essay that you are the ultimate power. Youth are the ultimate power, and you have a role in nation building in all walks of life to make a nation prosperous, progressive, free, and it is safety from all the manners. Dear students, when British left India, and we obtained the freedom from the colonization, and finally there was a big challenge, that was the nation building. And in the same essay, the Dr. Karan Singh wants to address the youth that don't take your freedom for granted. You have to work for, you have to safeguard this freedom. You have to generate power in you, because you being the ultimate power. You have to develop the instances, the tactics like patriotism, like nationalism, so that the nation would prosper and there would be a nation building. And their students, when British left India, and its economy was at India's economy was at zero, because most of resources were eaten away by the Britishers. So the freedom was given to us, and now to safeguard this freedom, to go for the economic, political, social stability of India, it was in the hands of youth. In this essay, Dr. Karan Singh addresses youth. You should build all those things in you that will benefit our nation in all spheres. You have to utilize your power in the right direction, so that the nation would prosper in all respects. You should not take your freedom for granted. You have to work for it. You have to further make India free from the new imperialism like concepts, because if a nation remains poor, it might be dominated by economically by other nations, and this will also cause the new imperialism. Yet students, in this essay, Dr. Karan Singh wants to address youth that the The ultimate power is in you, and you have to build all those things that will safeguard the Indian territory, the Indian nationalism, Indian patriotism, Indian securalism. So you have to become a responsible citizen, accountable citizen, good citizens, powerful citizens to boost India's prosperity in all the spheres, whether it is the economic sphere, it is the political sphere, it is the social sphere. Dear students, I'm repeating the things. Youth and Task Ahead is an essay written by Dr. Karan Singh. It is an essay about freedom and the role of youth in it. According to Dr. Karan Singh, youth is the ultimate power, and we have gained freedom from the Britishers, and we should not take. He addresses the youth. We should not take this freedom as for granted. We should work for the welfare of the nation. We should go for the nation building. This whole thing lies in the shoulders of the youth, and youth should develop in them the curiosity, this patriotism, nationalism, all those things by which nation will progress to the greater extent. So simply, when we putting in summary in brief, that means he is addressing the youth to go for the economic, political, and social development of the nation, because you are the powerful, you, you are the ultimate power. All the things are lying on your shoulders. You should not take your the obtained freedom as the for granted. You should work for it. You should work for the prosperity and the economic stability and political stability and social stability of the nation. Dear students, this is the brief summary of the Youth and Task Ahead by Dr. Karan Singh. इसका उर्दू है. डॉक्टर करण सिंह महाराजा हरी सिंह का बेटा है. ये पहले यहाँ पे सदर रियासत भी रहा है और अपर हाउस में ये पार्लियामेंट मेंबर है. यूथ एंड टास्क अहेड इसने एक मजमून लिखा है. इसमें ये आज़ादी के बारे में बात करता है और आज़ादी और जवानों के बारे में बात करते हैं ना, यूथ के बारे में बात करता है. ये यूथ से कहता है कि आप ही हमारे पावर हो, आप ही हमारे ताकत हो. जो मुकम्मल ताकत है, अल्टीमेट पावर है, वो यूथ है. एंड यूथ को क्या करना है, जवानों को क्या करना है, इनकी इनको मुल्क की बहबूदी के लिए काम करना है. चाहे ये सियासी बहबूदी हो, चाहे ये समाजी बहबूदी हो, चाहे ये इकानमी बहबूदी हो. दैट मीन्स दे शुड वर्क फॉर द ऑल द वेलफेयर्स. और जो नेशन बिल्डिंग होता है, यानी कौम, जो नेशन बिल्डिंग होता है, एक कौम बनाने का जो तरीका है, एक कौम बनाने का जो अमल है, वो यूथ के हाथ में है. और हमें आज़ादी अपनी फॉर ग्रांटेड नहीं लेनी चाहिए. हमें इसके लिए काम करना है. हमें कुछ चीज़ें अपने अंदर पैदा करनी है. यूथ से ये कहता है, जैसे पेट्रोटिज्म, हुबली वतनी पैदा करना है, नेशनलिज्म, कौम परस्ती वगैरह. ये चीज़ें हम में से पसंद पैदा करने हैं ताकि हम अपने नेशन को आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं. और जो सिक्योरलिज्म का कंसेप्ट है, जिसे कम्युनल हारमोनी आ जाती है, ये चीज़ें हमें अपने अंदर पैदा करने हैं. लेकिन अपने मुल्क को बचाने के लिए आपको अपना अल्टीमेट पावर देना है, क्योंकि आपके कंधों पे मुल्क का फ्यूचर, यानी मुल्क का मुस्तकबिल खड़ा है. ने आपके कंधों के ज़रिए ये आगे चलेगा. दिस इज द मैसेज in the Youth and Task Ahead by Dr. Karan Singh. Hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any query that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 706671106. But important thing is that you have to see these things on your available English grammar books, and also put extra efforts in hard work and self-study, and you will take your boat to the bank. Thanks. Be well said.